In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow people on Substack platform. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing, go ahead and log into your Substack account. As you can see, I'm on mine here. And to find any individual, then follow them. You can see if I scroll down here, we have people to follow. We have quite a number of them. You can just go ahead and directly follow them by tapping on follow here. And as you can see, I'm now following this account. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and tap on the search icon here like this, and then search for any individual by tapping on the search. So I'll go ahead and search for any page or person. For instance, I can go ahead and search for 16 personalities, and here it is. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see you can both subscribe and follow this page. To follow it, go ahead and just tap on follow, and to subscribe to this account, go ahead and tap on subscribe, and you'll have subscribed to it. So that's how you can follow pages on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.